Oh yeah, here we are. We're gonna do it again. Seaside Heights. Beautiful day today, Wednesday. It's a Wednesday out here in Seaside Heights, and windy. I don't know if you can hear me through the wind, but the sun is shining. That's the important thing. Breakwater Beach, under construction.
Give it a try. You can go right. Give it a try.
Here's Pizza Cat Lucinda. Lucinda will be rolling over. Roll over, Lucinda. And now our newest addition to the Pizza Cats is Marcus.
Hi everyone.
And Marcus needs a home. And right, Marcus, huh? Here, Marcus. Here, Marcus. There he goes, running away. Exploring. Here, Marcus.
Oh, are you guys friends?
And Lucinda checking them out.
You guys sniffed a bum. Oh.
Uh-oh. Dion, Pizza Cat Dion, who ran away last week and now he found his way home. What are you doing? And Opal, who just likes to sleep. Pizza Cat Opal. Need some toys.
I
Need
have
some
toys.
Cat toys
They're just
for you,
hidden.
Marcus.
They're just hidden. They come out all this.
Oh, Dion likes it.
Dion's coming out. He wants to see the toy.
Play. Get it, Titty. Get it. Like that.
Here's Marcus's mother. Mama. Another mama. And of course Mama would not want to be trapped. And Mama ran away for a couple months and then came back just in time to have Marcus and her kittens. And here's Samson or Delilah. We don't know which. But anyway, they're fixed. This one's fixed. And another kitten back there. Marcus's brother or sister. Tom and Barbara are here. From where?
The Poconos.
The Poconos. Excellent. Having a good time?
Oh, yes.
Great, great. That'll be great. And you're waiting for the fireworks.
Yes.
With this wind, we don't know what's going to happen, but stick around anyway.
Will do.
Thanks for Tom and Barbara. Thanks for stopping by and appearing in my video. So great to have people come by and say hello. And Pizza Cats and Friends Appreciation Society. Little Marcus there. Little Marcus is looking for a home. We're gonna find a little home for little Marcus because he's a friendly little bugger. Fireworks tonight. Hopefully we'll get some fireworks going tonight. A little windy out. We'll see how that goes. Hopefully we'll have our fireworks display right on the beach, Seaside Heights.
Thank you guys for riding the Music Express. Exits in the front. Don't forget to check your seats for your phone.
You're not gonna get in the video? There's Mark and Nancy from Canada. Fireworks on a Wednesday night, and Mark and Nancy there saying hello, stopping to say hello. They drove all the way from Canada to come here to Seaside Heights and see the fireworks. Here's our
What you got there?
Wizard of Oz coin drop, ruby red slipper card. I don't know if you can see it in the dark. Here it is, the ruby red slipper card from the Wizard of Oz coin drop.
You won one, yay!
Thanks for watching, everybody. Don't forget us, and don't forget Marcus, our pizza cat. Don't forget us, Pizza Cats and Friends Appreciation Society. Check us out on Facebook. Give us a thumbs up. And good night.